Welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to add a profile photo on the VK app quickly and easily. If you are new to VK or want to update your account picture, first, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, at the top right corner, tap on the three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. In the Settings section, look for Manage Account and tap on it. After that, click on My Information, which is located at the top of the screen. Here, you will see a camera icon inside the photo field. Tap on this camera icon to start the process of adding your profile picture. If a prompt appears asking for permissions, click Allow. If it asks again, tap Allow once more to give VK access to your media. Next, select the photo you want to use from your gallery. After choosing the image, click Attach to upload it. Finally, make sure to click Save Changes to confirm your new profile picture. Your VK account will now display your updated photo for all your friends and followers to see. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.